Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of HTML series. This is our third tutorial of HTML series. Have a look here guys, that which topics are going to cover in this video. First one is basic structure of HTML document, and the second one is HTML extension of overview, and finally we will create our first web page. Okay. Now see how HTML structure looks like. Well, whatever is written in these 10 rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, it's all HTML structure. Means you can say it's like a skeleton of a web page. Okay, without these pre-existing code we cannot make a web page. Okay, see what are tags now. Can you see the word HTML here and here? Enclosed with greater than and less than symbol is known as tag, or you can say it element also. In HTML language, every tag has opening and closing except some tags. This is known as opening tag and this is known as closing tag here. Okay. In closing tag we have to put forward slash like this. Okay, and whatever code we will return in the body tag will display as output. Okay, will display as output. And one point is that HTML has many tags, but we will cover mostly head tags and body tags. Okay, now see what is this doc type HTML. Basically, it tells the browser about the version HTML, about the version of HTML, that what HTML version we have used. Okay, now it is telling that we are using HTML5 version. Okay, before that many versions have launched, but the latest one is HTML5 that we are learning now. Let's understand a little bit more guys. Okay. See, files with extension .html known as HTML document or HTML file, only web browsers can run this file, and you can edit these files only in Notepad or in a HTML editor. Means you can only see your HTML file in web browser, and whenever you will save your file, then you have to include .html extension here. Okay. Now let's look at practical. Now open your editor guys. Can you see here guys the basic structure of HTML here, which we have already covered in this video. Okay, so now I wanted to show a heading and a paragraph on my web page. Okay, so to show that I have to introduce two new tags here. One is heading tag and the second one is paragraph tag. Okay, so now see how they looks like and how to write that. This one is heading tag, and this is the opening of this tag, and this is the closing of this tag, as you know. And between them you can write whatever you want. Okay, write it is my first web page. Okay, and now second tag is paragraph tag. See, the first one is opening of this tag and the second one is closing of this tag, and between them you can write your paragraph, whatever you want. Like I'm writing a small paragraph. I am from Agra and I am teaching HTML5. Okay guys, now see, I want to these both tags output as a center in my web page. Okay, so we have to introduce center tag. Okay, before and after paragraph tag. Put it here and paste it here. What it will do? It will position my heading and paragraph as a center. Okay, now let's save this file with the name demo. Okay, you can see here the extension is HTML because we have already selected the HTML language here. That's why it has already selected an extension .html. Now save this on desktop and click on this. Now see how it looks like. Boom. This is our first web page that looks like this. Okay. In later tutorials we will know the basic stacks. Goodbye, take care.